Well, this is one of my summer projects, is to put new siding on the garage here. So I'm putting up this LP smart siding. Probably the easiest way to go, I think. I'm not sure what you call this. It's kind of like a pole barn. So it has a upper, middle, and lower beam. The lower beam is rotted out. Can't really see it here, but I had to replace it. I got this up to keep animals out during the night. So I replaced that. And I had to use spacers because you can see here, these are just nailers for the siding. Because this is true dimension, and our wimpy wood today is thinner, I had to put spacers to bring it out so my siding doesn't, ripple. Have to bring it all out to the same level. And there's too much gap between these boards, so that's why I put these nailer boards in, so I have more attachment points for the smart siding. Of course, here's the stuff I tore out. You can see it's gotten pretty bad. And this lower board, it's not real bad here, but it's spongy. It's kind of like cork. It's corked, man. Oh yeah, this is just, look at that. It's bad. It's got to go. Here's my little work area. It's kind of a courtyard area between the house and the garage. I'm using it as a painting area. I'm trimming out these boards. So I want to paint around the edges where it's hard to get. This is going to be up under the eaves. And this will be the bottom. I wanted to seal the bottom edge really well. So I'm painting up behind it about a foot, using a good quality latex paint, semi-gloss, so it's pretty durable. Here's what I did last year. Same deal. So I installed the boards. I think it looks pretty good. And yeah, I had to replace the lower beam here. It's not really a rim joist, I don't know what you'd call it, but this is ground contact lumber here. Not crazy about it going below grade, but that's just the way it is. And I use stainless steel screws on the siding going into that. Well, I fastened everything down here with stainless, and I put a soffit in there, put some vents. Unfortunately, the way this garage was built, I just can't tear the siding off and put the new siding on. Like I say, that bottom beam was rotted out. Here's the new one. And of course, this stuff attached to it. So I had to tear the bottom section. I had to cut out this bottom section. I don't know why they use masonite board there, but I had to cut that out to access this because I have to reattach everything. This board came out with the old one, so these were just flopping in the breeze. So yeah, not a straightforward job. It takes a little bit of extra reconstruction to get it all together. It's kind of a oddball way this thing was built. They had a closet in here. I tore that out. So I'm going to tear all that down and put drywall up. So yeah, that's kind of my storage area right now. Last year I had new roofing put on the house and the garage. Had it ventilated, I had a ridge vent put in. Before there was no ventilation in this place at all. So I want to get it properly ventilated, so that's why I have the ridge vent, and then they have the soffit vents. then there'll be some ventilation in the front as well. Another thing I want to get done this year is replace the siding here. The lower two boards, at least, are not in the greatest shape, as you can see. Really, that's the worst area, but I'm gonna flash it with aluminum behind there, and then put in some new siding boards. And I will replace the door as well. I want to get rid of this door, put a new one in. So yeah, that is what I want to do this summer. I was hoping to get everything done last summer, but I just had too much work. But finally, it's opened up. Weather's good. Getting started in July. A little late, but better late than never. The only problem is the temperature. It's in the 90s. It's just going to be hot, but I can't make any more excuses. I got to get going on it. So yeah, just a quick video here of my little projects going on.